Thanks for checking out the Balcony Gard. Balcony Gard is a safe and effective repeller for birds that invade your property like pigeons, starlings, sparrows, woodpeckers, and other damaging birds. The Balcony Gard creates an ultrasonic sound wave that repels these birds without chemicals, traps, or poisons. The Balcony Gard is operated by electricity or battery and features a motion sensor that watches your property and emits sound when the birds are around. Balcony Gard covers 900 square feet and is effective all year long. It's a weatherproof product that you can use all year long, repel the birds from your property ultrasonically.